hot enough for you. You know, it's times like these that make you wish you had a vacation home in Alaska. But let's be real, who has that kind of cash lying around? Luckily, I have a better solution for you.
Honey, turn on the quiet cool.
Okay, turning on the quiet cool.
A whole house fan from the pros at the Whole House Fan Company in Sacramento, California. Now, you might be asking yourself, what the heck is a whole house fan, and why do I need it? Well, my sweaty friend, let me tell you. A whole house fan is a magical device that cools down your entire home by pulling in the cool air from outside and pushing out the hot air trapped inside. It's like opening up all your windows and doors without actually opening up all your windows and doors. But here's the best part. A whole house fan from the Whole House Fan Company can save you a boatload of money on your energy bills. Say goodbye to those pesky air conditioning costs and hello to lower utility bills. With the highest inflation rates in over 40 years, I think we could all use a break from rising prices. But wait, there's more. A whole house fan can also improve your indoor air quality by circulating fresh air throughout your home, reducing indoor pollutants, and eliminating stale air. It's like having your very own air purifier without the extra costs and maintenance. And if all that wasn't enough, the Whole House Fan Company in Sacramento, California has 40 years of experience installing whole house fans, 6 locations, and more than 40,000 happy customers. That's peace of mind knowing that you're working with the best in the whole house fan industry. So what are you waiting for? Call up the Whole House Fan Company today or visit their website to learn more and request a quote for installation in your home. Let them help you beat the heat, save money, and breathe easy. Trust me, your wallet and your lungs will thank you.